What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a quick middle of the day market update, but we need to, alright? We got some major news, two major news events. No, three actually, so we'll just stop the introduction and we'll get to it. But no, I wanted to do a shorter video because it's incredibly hot here in northern Europe, or at least northwest, I guess. So yeah, it's I'll try to keep it short. But the main news we had is, first of all, we had some economic news with the jobs data. That was relatively mixed data, all right, or at least the result was relatively mixed. And here you can see some foreshadowing of what we will talk about. But you can see that the dollar strength index is quite bearish because of it, which means that for some reason it's being interpreted as bearish for the dollar, which is bullish for crypto, and that's also why you see Bitcoin relatively strong in the last 2 hours. Ultimately, Bitcoin still has to break above 62,200 for us to really have a bullish breakout for Bitcoin and therefore also have a bullish market. We can also look at the total 3, which is the altcoin market. This needs to break above $614 billion. If we're able to do that, that's a big bullish breakout, and then we can actually see relatively bullish markets in the short term, which is great. And a lot of this is fueled, I think, like in general, we've talked about this for Bitcoin already, but we already got some nice bottom signals and bottom indications, I should say, for Bitcoin here. It's also a longer term bottom, so getting some sort of bullish momentum from this is quite likely, even though the markets felt very bearish in the last couple of weeks. But then we got major news, all right? And the first news event that I want to talk about is the Solana ETF, which you cannot, here, VanEck files for Solana ETF, and Solana rises by 6%, all right? So that's also what I had my screen on at the start. If you look at Solana right now, it's absolutely rocketing up. Broke above 140 here, stopped a little bit at the 200 EMA, but trying to break above that as well. So Solana is very bullish. Solana's ecosystem is very bullish. You can see that Jupiter, WIF, Jito, Pyth, Render, and Wormhole, everything very bullish. I am not sure how far this is going to go. Do I realistically think that a Solana ETF is going to happen soon? No. Do I think ultimately it will happen? Yes. All right, but that means that, all right, well, maybe we get some bullish momentum now, but to really get it approved, etc., that could still take a year, right? So I would be careful with the price action. In general, like if we can hold a support level like 145 and 140 in the next couple of days, we can move up to 160, right? And we could even break above that if Bitcoin turns bullish here. But that's something we'll have to wait for. And look, you might be a trader that likes this. I don't like trading news, so I cannot tell you what to do or what not to do. What I will do is I will wait this out, all right? Wait how the market reacts, wait how Bitcoin develops, etc. But that's the first news, and then apart from that, Coinbase also sued the SEC, which I'm not sure if we can find that somewhere. But they sued the SEC, or at least I saw something like that, which is also, it's much less relevant than the Solana ETF. But it's also bullish, I think, especially with the elections coming up. There's quite a good chance that the SEC is maybe, taking some steps back in crashing down on crypto. But all right, Bitcoin right now, if you look at the statistics, it's very, like, shorts have been closed in the last hour or so that's good. But we're not gaining much momentum yet. So like I said, keep your eyes on those major levels for Bitcoin and the altcoin market. If we get a breakout, we can actually rally, but that's not the case right now. All right, so still be careful. There are some cryptos that are performing relatively well though, so I quickly wanted to spend some time on that. Pendle is what I bought earlier today. Ethereum Beta is actually relatively strong today. Like I said, Solana coins are absolutely rallying. Jito WIF is very strong here. So if you look at WIF right here, but also Popcat, that's ridiculously strong. But no, WIF, as you can see, is trying to form some sort of a bullish market structure. So I would say that's interesting. If we look at some other cryptos like Morg, I missed my entry. Like my entry was in this green area. Just missed, which is not great. But no, there are a lot of cryptos that actually look very, very interesting. I would say Ethereum beta and Solana beta seem like the most interesting right now. A coin like Maker also is quite interesting, is getting bullish breakout after bullish breakout. Stacks is trying to get some sort of a bullish breakout right here. You should keep your eyes on that. And then maybe, no, that's about it. Solana beta, that's the main thing to watch. Apart from Bitcoin, of course. All right, if Bitcoin breaks out, much more altcoins will be interesting. But for now, I think this is what you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.